Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070643. Let's fix it guys. This update has a problem when installing the update. So the solution is to hide the update guys. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome, search for Windows Show Hide Updates tool. Comes up a Windows Show or Hide Update tool unavailable. Click on it. Scroll down. Select the link. Scroll down and select the download option. After getting download done, select Show in folder. Right click on the downloaded file and select Extract All and select Extract. After getting extract done, open the program. Select Next. Select Hide Updates. In here you can able to see with the name security update for Windows 10 version 22H2 for x64 based systems with the code KB5034441, and you just need to check mark that particular option and after that select next, and your problem has been fixed guys after doing this. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.